Hello, children. Welcome to our radio learning program for P5 Science. This is a continuation of our radio learning programs produced by Rwanda Education Board, REB, in partnership with IEE, Inspire, Educate, and Empower Rwanda. My friends, as usual, I'm Teacher Gerard. Now, children, I hope you are ready with your pens and notebooks for taking notes, doing exercises, and homework. After that, get seated next to the radio. Tune it to be loud enough and be ready to listen to it keenly, as well as participating in radio activities. Parents, make sure that the learners are focused and they are doing what is expected of them. So your support is equally needed. You support them where necessary. Great. Now, children, let us stand up to have a warm-up song. Let us stand up to have a warm-up song. I will sing the song 2 times as you listen. Then you will join me to sing for the 3rd time. Last time, you see, we were walking with Jesus. This time round, we are going to sing with Jesus. You see, last time we were walking with Jesus. Now we are happy. We are going to sing with Jesus. Is that clear? Good. So the song goes, singing with Jesus, singing every day, singing all the way, singing with Jesus, singing with Jesus today, singing in the sunshine, singing in the rain, singing every day, singing all the way, singing in the sunshine, singing in the rain, singing with Jesus today. Wow. Children, join me and we sing with Jesus. Let's sing. Singing with Jesus, singing every day, singing all the way, singing with Jesus, singing with Jesus today, singing in the sunshine, singing in the rain, singing every day, singing all the way, singing in the sunshine, singing in the rain, singing with Jesus today. Can we repeat? Good. Singing with Jesus, singing every day, singing all the way, singing with Jesus, singing with Jesus today, singing in the sunshine, singing in the rain, singing every day, singing all the way, singing in the sunshine, singing in the rain, singing with Jesus today. Wonderful, 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 wonderful. Children, can you remember what we did last time? Perfect. In our last lesson, we did revision exercise. Is that clear? Very good.
Come along and play with us.
Now, children, from today, we are going to learn about energy. We are going to learn about energy. Can you write energy? E-N-E-R-G-Y. Energy. Good. We are going to see about energy and more. May you look at the pictures on page 182. I told you to come with the textbook or printed papers. Can you look at page 182 and tell what is in the pictures? Good, good. In picture 1, my friends, what did you see? Good. In picture 1, there is a candle and a torch. There is a candle and a torch. In picture 2, we have a solar panel. We have a solar panel. In picture 3, we have 2 children playing with light from a torch. In picture 3, we have 2 children playing with light from a torch. Then we have picture 4. In picture 4, we have a boy ironing his clothes. We have a boy ironing his clothes. Then picture 5, we have a light bulb from the ceiling. Then in picture 6, we have somebody on a wheelchair trying to connect an electric socket. Is that right, children? Good. Those are the things that we have seen on the pictures. Now, the most uncommon thing in the pictures that you have seen is light. The most uncommon thing in the pictures that you have seen is light. So, we are going to start by learning about light. Do you understand? Great. Can you write light and underline it? Good. Light is a form of energy. Light is a form of energy. It is obtained from many sources. It is obtained from many sources. That means we can get it from many sources. These sources may be natural or artificial. We can get light from the natural sources or from artificial sources. Natural means they were made by God. Artificial means they are made by man. Are we together? Great. Now, my friends, if it is artificial, made by man. If it is natural, made by God. Now, let us again look at the pictures A, B, C, and D. Pictures A, B, C, and D. Can you tell something about each of the pictures? What can you see about picture A? Wow. In picture A is water in a glass. In picture A, that one is just water in a glass picture. B is a spotlight or a torch, which is a source of light. There is a torch, which is a source of light. Then picture C is the sun, another source of light. Picture C is the sun, which is another source of light. Then in picture D, a girl is trying to use a mirror to direct sunlight onto a wall. A girl is trying to use a mirror to direct sunlight onto a wall. Is that clear? Marvelous.
Come along and play with us.
Now, let us see light propagation. Light propagation. Propagation, I'm spelling P-R-O-P-A-G-A-T-I-O-N. Propagation. Light propagation. Propagation means to move, to spread, or to travel. Propagation means to move, to spread, or to travel. Now, my friends, I want you to look at the activity on page 183. Look at the activity on page 183. We can also make our own, but for now, let us follow what is already in the activity. Let us follow what is there in the activity. The materials that are needed are a torch or candle, 3 equal pieces of cardboard, a pencil, and a nail. Now, what do we do? Let us follow the instructions below. Get 2 to 3 or 4 cardboard of the same size. Make small holes in the center of the cardboard. Arrange the pieces of cardboard so that all the holes at their center are in a straight line. And then place a light candle or torch at one end of the piece of cardboard as shown in the alongside diagram. Observe through the other end of the cardboard. So, my friends, if you do that, there is something that obviously will happen. We can see the light from the candle. Remember, the cardboards have got a hole at the center. They are cardboards of the same size, and at their centers, we have put a hole. Then we put the cardboards in a long and straight line. A long and straight line. Then at the end, we put a candle, which is having light on. A lit candle is put. Then we want to see what is taking place. So we sit at the other end or stand at the other end. Then we want to see light. Yes, it is seen. We can see the light from the candle. That shows that light travels on a straight line. Do you understand? Good. Light travels in a straight line. Can you repeat? Light travels in a straight line. Perfect. That means if we did not put them on a straight line, we could have not seen that light. Light also travels in all directions. My friends, light also travels in all directions. Light travels in the form of a ray or rays. Light travels in the form of a ray or rays. What is a ray? What is a ray? Write this one down. A ray is a narrow line of light. A ray is a narrow line of light. Do you understand? Fine.
Come along and play with us.
Let us now discuss about medium for light transmission. Are we there? Good. Which of the following materials can allow light to pass through? As you know it always. Which of the following materials can allow light to pass through, especially when light is coming from the other side and you are on the other side? Perfect. Oiled pepper. Oiled pepper. You take pepper and then you smear some oil. That one can allow some light. Not all, but some light can pass through. Clear polythene paper. A clear polythene paper. That one can also allow some light. Then a clear glass. A clear glass can allow light to pass through. Then our clear notebooks. Our clear notebooks. Good. Some of these are called transparent and others are called translucent. Can you write transparent? T-R-A-N-S-P-A-R-E-N-T. Transparent. And some are called translucent. T-R-A-N-S-L-U-C-E-N-T. Translucent. Good. Light can be seen at the other end of the clear polythene and clear glass if they are put in the path of the light. Some light, not much light, can be seen when an oiled paper is put in the path of light. No light can be seen when a notebook and a block of wood are put in the path of light. Do you understand that? Why do we see through an oiled paper? It is translucent. Say translucent. Good. And the clear glass is transparent. That means full light can pass through. Is that correct? Perfect. We have three words here. Transparent, write it. The second word, translucent. The third one, opaque. O-P-A-Q-U-E. Opaque. Transparent, translucent, and opaque. Transparent media, these are materials that allow light to pass through them. These are materials that allow light to pass through them. We can see through them easily. Correct? Examples of transparent materials include glass windows, colorless drinking glasses, air, clear water, and windscreens. Is that clear? Good. Now, translucent media. Translucent media. These are materials that allow just some light to pass through. These are materials that allow some light to pass through them. We cannot see through them clearly. Examples of translucent materials include frosted glass, waxed paper, and a thin piece of cloth or paper. They only allow some light to pass through. Have you understood? Great. Now, the next medium is opaque. Opaque medium, these are materials that do not allow light to pass through them, like the wall. We cannot see through opaque mediums because they block the light. Examples of opaque materials include some clothes, they cannot allow, stones, wood, metal sheets, books, timber, and the human body. Are we together, friends? Marvelous. These materials that do not allow any little amount of light to pass through are called opaque materials. For our next lesson to be enjoyable, you will need to come with a plain mirror, a pencil, a clear glass, and some water in a bottle. Do you understand? Good. Now, my friend, that will be the end of our lesson today. Until we meet in the next lesson, goodbye.
Goodbye, 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 teacher. Goodbye, children. See you next time. Goodbye, 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 teacher. Goodbye, children. See you next time.